5-stage clip-on power filter designed for freshwater and saltwater aquariums between 10 and 30 gallons. 2 mechanical stages trap large and fine debris, foams easily slide out for quick cleaning. Chemical stage with activated carbon effectively removes toxins. Biological stage features bioscreen pad, blocks debris and provides massive surface area for beneficial biological activity. Biological trickle chamber supercharged for fast and efficient nitrification when loaded with Fluval C-Nodes. Top reviews from the United States. Love it and bought 2. I just bought 2 of the C4 to put on a 90-gallon tank. So far it has done great, but I currently have a light bioload. I will have to update later if I run into issues. I like how easy it is to clean compared to my canister filter. The flow is good and I like how I can change that when I go to feed. Also, the extra space to add different types of media is great. As far as noise, I don't have that problem. The only time it's loud is when the tank water is low and then you can hear the water from it hitting the tank water. I would purchase this again in a heartbeat.